KSA Bugajan Regional Committee pen Chapatir Piponsi Humtroxi School along Kahumridam. Lakha Sirkep Amreng Constituency Jirikendeng Police Station ke Parlo Mothade Lapen Mujem Sopiang Angbong Longlelam ki Kiklan. Dolong kahinojok inudabang pu dolong kiro bahut bike pen kiklo.
Grab the biggest opportunity. The Golden Wings presents second Karbianglong Fashion Week 2022. Both for male, female, misses, teen and kids. Promoting our local behavior and tourism. Required heights, male 5.5 and female 5.3 professional. Dress code for preliminary auditions. Denim blue jeans and white t-shirt. Pencil heels compulsory for female preliminary audition scope. Dipu, Denarong, Wolongkomaji, Japrajan, Hanjang Langso, Hamren, Dongka, Kaziranga, Umrangso, Haflong, Chokihola and Hawarkehat. For further details, please contact 60032 93958.
Kardom, pinyada Abirta long pen nilisang pe marvelous rong parpi nonarju ikta Abirta ang ton pen. Karbianglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Rong hang lapen. Karbianglong Autonomous Council Education Department in charge EM Richard Tok Bipen Jesemet Quality Education of Harman. RD Biponsi kedam tanga por pregjam hampanga song atumpen chingwai linsi. Ka chingwai pon ateng pen EM Richard Tok biamet hang chithor flut pen school humri dam bomlo. Lasonsi hampanga song atumta chirap chitudun bomsi school along ka humri padodam bomlo. Lasonsi kedamtang pai nipai home kebarni KSA Bukajan Regional Committee chunbang Nobin Rongpi KSA Dilai Head Branch Amaipu Bikram Pro Rab Maipu Waisong Terang KSA Rongkuli Branch chunbang Katharson Ingtiatum Long Troxy School visit damlo Langtuk Teron English LP School Arpegadong LP School Number 1 Langtibuk LP School Number 2 Langtibuk LP School Bhanu Bhakta English ME School, Dilai Golf ME School, Dilai High School Henlo. Alang tumpen kahumrida muhud report ke enpon lake playground doma avema, school building teacher absent doma avema, SMC regular meeting doverma doverve, kijo nalang mema hingu. Separate pinso lapen arloso washroom doma ave lapen penang report pangrum lo. Lapen labang so report puthot Karbianglong Autonomous Council along paledam thupo pusi Nobin Rongpi pen Pachinipon. Laban parents meeting pedopon verji aphan along tin school kahumri ahot chuning riteka. Dilai pen Bijoy Rongpi Karbianglong Lai. Kedamtang pai nipai trogar ni mothade lapen mojem sopiang atum longlelam ki aputhak patumi pai nipai home cab raisiar ni Jirkendeng Police Station along ke messenger phan kachingbai pedopon. Labang somai long Jirkendeng Police Station OC Kajol Nad Thana Mai Phubor Singh Ingti Abarim VDC Chairman Lokash Milik Abarim VDC Chairman Lachit Terang Charche Moja Committee Mai Phu Dhon Singh Phang Cholapen Kyongdung SGB KARAA atum chetongron. Kedamtang pai nipai trogar ni mujem lapen sopiang angbong adu ya hoya lampen ki ongdung kachu som ahormu arphek thengki ching phanga thengpi sokpen chenglok penangan khasi panaratum muthade karbia rongasor akhiti panahok tekanglo. Labang so puthak lahin ki mesenang je phan patumi nipai thom keb raisiar ni chingki chingwai pedoponlo. Lapen Jirkendeng Police Station OC ahin pen kapachini pon atengke lahin ta ki mesenji aphansi nangchingwai ponlin lo mo aprang ke bang jilangar ni jongsi komane mate badule longle philangalam ki pen thengpi thengprang kapana hok dokok pulote nang tumaphan nang dia pon pe loputa pachini pon thule thotlo non malom longri arlo jesemet pen Karbianglong Assam lapen Meghalayang bong give and take policy pupen ilituma longle tong kedamji ma mate bangalong letong dam nangji mapu matha damun epina porhut mujem sopiang lapen mothade atum longle ka chithia bang phere memelo puta rongara atum ningje pondente Jirkendeng pen Samsing Ingti Karbianglong Live. Come one, come all.
4th Autumn Women and Men's Football Running Tournament come awareness on addiction and human trafficking at Adap Taro Playground, Dongmukak on 5th September to 8th October 2022. Organized by Community Health Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a Unite of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi. NGO partner, UNICEF. For more details, contact Sharon Sarmin Hanse, Project Officer, CHDP, and call 8638398440. Amar Jivan. Diabetes, gastric, piles, lapen blood pressure ason sonaki sopen, ke jokilong jia phan, Amar Jivan a hinpen, mesen adovai, nangli tumaphan, nangwan pilo. Laan chota kalisi, pokso pokang, kila kileng, rikeng kiso, ipu aloka chorot pendanglok, an kicho thekthia kiso do anta kipa mi iun, bangso Amar Jivan adovai. Klarda kachinijia phan, Troxy 5A5A, Hini Drop Ho 5A, Troxy nerkebalong, humri lote, long ikpo.
Lakha Kripli Korkanthi constituency ke parlo Arlong Buti Saborong Pilapen Sona Singarong Kedamatwara long Delong Kahinojo Inuda Bangpu Delong Keme Parpi Lapen Langroy Langkit Hejok Delong Kirubahut Bike Pen Halanganat Plunangno Pinpur Ponme Karbianglong ke Chingthur Piglopusi Dipurong Supialong ke Dotum Kaningje Tangte Pini Borpung Arlong Buti Arada Tumaphan Asavet Arada Phanta Tim Karbianglong Pen Akirap Piun Ema Pinilang damtha inula korte dilong dambo mahut bike pen ke dambo mahut men langanat kluchonglo labang so dilong ke check chot artata dolo lapen langta ke thei pena joksi lapuson kisum chetong nang koklo sitanili tumke laswa dilong le par pip lote damathai tabelo dugde chita hemrit paraisi ke dojok parvek nang koklo lapen kisum ta chetong nang koklo puta hadagara datung pen ningje pon Lapen bang so munit ke phobe ka bang nili blog asal hemanat pensi hemanat chebang bok bonta kopai ki mejok ok prana bang ke misen hang thelang pusi Abirta de tunlo bang so bike ke klo hut RTR bike lapen mobile ta ihum ing bodun neblo tangte pini sarkar pen pilo bang so arong adelong aphan mathabo ase prabjin pen kimisen ingchen adelong nang ke PG aphansi hadagara da tumta Karbianglong Autonomous Council Chairman Raju Tisophan Tuning Ripon Lapen alang litum mate Team Karbianglong pen bang sorong aphan prabjin pen nakahumri ki bang je phansi dak ihin nile barat ihin korkanthia rat dora pet pen tuning ripen lapen ning chet pili Koila mati pen Sonjit Pro Karbianglong hai Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma Kapin Khatpon Ateng Pachaton Dunsi Langhin constituency ke parlo Jaipong Adarsha High School along sitami Vidyanjali amai pidodunlo Patumi pai ni phai thongke braisier ni por phai kri sima lompen Jaipong Adarsha High School along bangso mai deng ponlo bangso mai kachepai phupon lake Jaipong Adarsha High School SMC mai phu Vidya Singh Teron pensi mai chari ponlo labangso mai long abarim lo charli dun atumang bong Chetosi ceiling fan sitami bangso school of Harman panong pen akirap pipa jerdunlo bangso ceiling fan kapajir dunang koklake nilitum kidam tang ningkan ingkoy aprang bangso school long ke charli boma porke fan kalisia sai hem anstami meme pin bonta nona por bangke ke phang ok pen kachepa jog nangji pura nilitum bangso school long charli somar mate bomu maratuma phan lapen than bang atuma phan chinghon chijin sosi pajir ponlo Athe nili tuma phan munit nang ke paman mate nili piniar ni rada theng no ka cheklang long lapen man kelong dun ke bangso school lapen te than bang atum ajoy nelo la sinili tum la ceiling fan nang ke pi pajir chot ke than bang atum phan ningching sam parpik ajoglo puta pachini pon lapuson thak thak si non bangso school long ke charli bongmu maratum ansitame mo bangso school pen pardet lote awar sai chelong lote bangso school apen than bang atuma phan sitame chiting ni nera puthot nang humri thuek nang jiputa mailong chithan chimum pon lang hin pen sarpang ring ti Karbianglong lai
English High School, classes nursery to class 10. Facility in the school, electricity, drinking filter water, washing room is provided in the classroom. If 4 children from the same family attend the school, one among them 4 is given free education, and if 3 children from the same family studied in the school, one among them is given 6 months free. School charity. The school also given free education to underprivileged children. For more details, contact Rahel Intipi, Principal St. Xavier English High School, Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong. Call 8638-801-264.
Pinya Abirta bangki lapon si kang ton iglo dumi thakmi kardom.